Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. And basically we're having some issues with this computer. I had a few issues on the a lot of issues on the past, and the problem right now, we try to turn on the computer and it actually doesn't do anything. You see the light over there? That's on back of the power supply. The power supply basically converts electricity into a form which the computer can use, and this is actually connected to the motherboard, and this is actually the motherboard. You see, of course I disconnected it just to take a look at it, but when I try to turn it on, it won't turn on. So the only solutions, this is the first step you need to do. Listen very careful. This is the only steps you should be doing. First, just check the cable. I will suggest to disconnect it and connect it back. Why? Sometimes a disconnected cable will, it will do stuff like that. But of course, in this computer, we already did. So after that, it didn't do anything. So the first thing we go by numbers. Why? Because you don't want to replace the most expensive first and then go with the lowest price. First, you go with the lowest price, which in this case, the power supply is going to cost you around probably 30 to 50 bucks, and power board, which is going to cost you probably like from 100, it could be from 75 to 150. It depends on the model number and also how new the computer is. So this is the whole board you have to buy, but first you got to do this. So in this case, we have to replace the power supply. And in most of the cases, this is your problem, the power supply, all right? So I hope you guys do that. Please don't do something else. Like in this case, they disconnected a lot of stuff which they shouldn't, but it is what it is. So in this case, go with the power supply. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please share it, watch it, and subscribe to my channel. And I appreciate that. I appreciate your time, and leave any comments. And thank you, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye bye.